So today we are going to revise the tables again, okay? And side by side you type on your PC. Starting with HTML tag. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Followed by the head tag. Inside the head tag, we have title tag. And I close the title tag. Now pay attention on LCD carefully. There was one blank in the test. All of you see the LCD. There was one blank in the test. This was the blank. That title tag is enclosed inside which tag? The answer was head opening, head closing. आपको इस तरह के fill in the blanks आ सकते हैं, जैसे टैग का नाम मिस है, या ओपनिंग टैग मिस है, या क्लोजिंग मिस है, या उसका एट्रीब्यूट मिस है. So you have to be very much particular with the programming in order to know what is to be filled in this particular blank. जैसे यहाँ पर आएगा head tag opening and followed by head tag closing. Then body tag. The attribute to specify the color is BG color. Now see here today, all of you pay attention here. I am going to take one more attribute of body tag, that is text. Text means the color of the text. Silver is the background color. Red is the color of text. Suppose I have written tables in HTML. So tables in HTML will appear in red color. Okay. Am I clear up till here? Now here I am giving table tag and I am giving the border attribute of table. I am specifying the size 4 for the border. Then I am giving the color to the border by giving border color. Border color attribute. And remember, border color is one single word. Border color is one single word. I am giving the border color blue. I am giving the width of the table 200. And I am setting the alignment of the table in the center. I am setting the alignment of the table in the center. Stop your gossiping, please, backbenchers. Stop playing with your mask and focus on the coding part. All right. Now here we are starting with the first row. That is the TR tag. In order to create the row, our first tag is TR. TR stands for table row. Arjun, stand up, please. So in order to create the row, we will make use of TR tag. TR stands for table row. I am giving, जैसे बॉडी के, ये देख लो इधर, जैसे बॉडी में बीजी कलर लगता है वैसे ही आप टीआर में भी बीजी कलर लगा सकते हो. Difference is when you apply BG color in the body, it will specify the background color of the whole web page. When you apply BG color in the TR, it will specify the background color in that row. सिर्फ उस रो का बैकग्राउंड कलर चेंज होगा. ठीक है. I am giving yellow. अब TR के अंदर जितने सेल्स चाहिए उतनी बार TD टैग TD means table data. TD means table data. Okay. I am taking here roll number 1, marks, and I am giving grade. आप सभी ने अपनी क्लास के डिस्प्ले बोर्ड पे टाइम टेबल चार्ट को ध्यान से देखा होगा. When we make the timetable, first of all we write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then periods 1, 2, 3, 4. We give the headings. Then we start putting the values. In table also, in HTML table also, you can specify the headings for your columns. जैसे ये रोल नंबर कॉलम है, ये मार्क्स का कॉलम है, ये कॉलम ग्रेड का है. अगर आपने ऐसे हेडिंग्स देनी है तो वी क्रिएट द हेडर रो. What we create? Header row. In order to create the header row, what we will do? In order to create the header row, we will use th tag. We will use th tag. Okay. अब यहां ध्यान से देखो. All of you pay attention on LCD and leave your PC work for 2 minutes. ये डिफरेंस क्लियर कर लो ताकि कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो लेटर ऑन. ये जहां मैंने TH लगाया है, TH stands for table header. Table header. It will create the header row. TH के दो खास फीचर होते हैं. ये ऑटोमेटिकली बोल्ड होता है और ऑटोमेटिकली डाटा सेंट्रली अलाइन होता है. All the cells which are enclosed inside the TH tag, they will be automatically bold and automatically centrally aligned. Clear? और ये हेडर रो होती है. जब भी आपको ये कहा जाए कि हेडर रो क्रिएट करो, यू हैव टू यूज TH. और हेडर रो सिर्फ एक होती है. Always the first row is considered to be the header row. आपने ये नहीं करना कि सारे टेबल में TH लगा दिया. Only in the header row you will create TH. In rest of the cells you will apply TD. अब ये मेरी हेडिंग है कॉलम्स की. रोल नंबर, मार्क्स और ग्रेड. ये मेरा पहला रिकॉर्ड है. नाउ द सेकंड रिकॉर्ड. रोल नंबर 2, नेम मार्क्स 80, ग्रेड B. Then third row, roll number 3, marks 70 and grade is C. Here I close the table tag. Here I close the body tag and here I close the HTML tag. Save your coding. Let us see the browser view. We have to locate our file. This is our file. Check it, please. See the header row carefully. हेडर रो अपने आप ऑटोमेटिकली बोल्ड है और सेंट्रली अलाइंड है. I just increase the width of the table so that you can have a more clear view of it. Check it. Internet Explorer. All of you check it carefully. Okay, I have a question over here and raise your hand. Why the entire data is red in color? Only raise your hand. Yes, Prerna. Very good. I have given the red color to the text by using text attribute of body tag. Very good. Okay, what is the color of header row? What is the color of header row? Aqua. Aqua. Okay, in the given table, which is the header row? Which is the header row? Yes, Kanav. Roll number, marks and grade. What are the two special features of header row? It will be centrally aligned automatically and bold. Got it? Yes. Okay, I have another question. All of you see here. Header row तो मैंने बोल दिया automatically centrally aligned है. What is the default alignment of the table? Left. Default alignment of the data in the table is left. Now suppose I want to bring the data in the center. तो क्या करो? हर रो के TR में जाओ. In every TR, write align equal to center. Okay. Check it. All of you see the LCD. How I have enabled the align attribute inside every TR and the data has become centrally aligned. Am I clear to all? Yes, sir. Any doubt, any queries? Check the coding. Pen drop silence and just focus on the lecture. Yes, I am just coming to see what you have done on your PC. थोड़ा सा ऊपर। Yes, be quiet. Yes. हाँ जी, भव्या सुहाना, is the lecture clear? Any doubt in the table topic? Now I am coming to see what you have done. Full form of TR. Table row. Don't shout. TD, table data. All right. Which tag is used to create the rows in the table? Table row. TR tag. Which tag is used to create data cells? TD tag. Which tag marks, listen the question carefully, which tag marks the beginning and ending of the table? Table tag. Which attribute of TR tag is used to insert background color in the row? BG color.